What is up, everybody? Dan and the Fireman here. There's a sale going on, 30% off everything in the store. Grab yourself a digital booklet, though. It's only like $10, $11 after the 30% discount. Practice your slow speed stuff. Avoid a lot of these accidents, and this is what we're going to be talking about. So you want to know what you can do with your bike. So here we go. We have that side of the vehicle. We're utilizing the plan method today. Once again, this is kind of like the core thing that we do. Position for safety, locate the side of the vehicle, hazardous situation. Is it a relevant threat? Can be, not yet. But we're going to navigate it if it becomes one. Now it's a relevant threat. So we're already honking the horn. So what can we do? Progressive braking. Go ahead and apply that front brake. Slow yourself down. Don't worry too much about the honking part. Get yourself in safety. A new position for safety. And so we're getting up to here. Can't stop in time. So good job continuing his position. Threading that needle. Now that we're applying the brakes even more and they're ahead of us, we're a little safer now. But we still have to get ourselves in a good position for safety. So still apply the brakes. Increase that space cushion. Good job. Now, you can hear the bike. It's probably went from like a higher gear to now slow, so you can downshift.
It's really hard to understand the behavior of the driver who makes a number of...
It is hard.
...away completely understood.
I always like to assume that they really need to get home because they have to take a dump. It makes it easier for me. It's not malicious. They just don't want to crap their pants in their car. Detailing a car just takes forever, and then it stinks. You're embarrassed. You don't want to take it somewhere, and then you got to clean up your own poo. I mean, that's how I think about it, and it makes me laugh.
What's up, bro?
Like, oh, I gotta go. All right, fishtailing begins. Uh-oh, wet road. There's the fishtail. And we're just going to slip and slide everywhere. Thankfully, it wasn't a high speed. Now, imagine if he was going super duper fast. All right, so we're lane filtering because the cars are stopped. We're going 38. In Arizona, you can only go 15. So is this California? Looks like it's California. So you can split in California. So be very careful. Anybody want to peek out? Watch out for... Okay, so what I was just about to say is watch out for these big spots, because somebody's going to want to go into it. So when you see like a big spot, slow it down, just in case somebody wants to do that. But now what do? We got to do some really good progressive braking. Let's see if he crashes. Nope. Good job with the progressive braking. Handled it really well. Did a quick little head check, moving on. She pretends she has to poop. I don't know. Okay, we're getting through here. Very good. This person's going to want to switch over to you. There it is. So a very quick open lane pattern. Did you guys see why, though? Look at that big box truck. They don't want to be behind the box truck. It's going too slow for them. So they're going to want to switch into the lane next to them without looking. Okay, so when we see this possible pattern in road behavior, driver behavior, stay staggered and anticipate that they might come in. I think so too, forward. As long as they're real. All right, so at this point, you're kind of in traffic, like in the oncoming lane. So if you want to pedal back and get in lane, perfect. Very good. Okay. Handled it. All right, we're in a car.
You don't have to wait long for the results of a reckless biker right on the left.
I could be in a bikini if you want.
Everything could end without any...
1,000 gifted subs, and I'll show up in a bikini. Oh, geez. No gear whatsoever. Oh, don't.
Oh my God.
Can you tell he's a new rider? You can't Flintstone your feet down to stop. Use your rear brake with your right foot. Use your front brake with your right hand. So when you see this, new rider. I get it. You might not have gear as a new rider. At minimum, buy yourself a helmet. If you can't afford jacket, pants, gloves, and boots, put the extra money into a helmet, a full face helmet. And then just wear like a regular jacket, jeans, maybe some work boots, and then garden gloves if you can. Like, I don't know. Wear gear. So when we come up to here, so you see how the bike fell down before even hitting? So he slammed that front brake and it lost traction. And so then now we're going to go ahead and hit our face right on the back of the truck.
Oh my God.
So let's see. He's angry, but he's kind of like dazed. So he's got a concussion. All right, here we go. Going a little fast, 134. Okay, guys, what do you think's going to happen here? 134 kilometers an hour. What's that up there? Is that a speed bump? Do you think he's going to go flying? Oh, he's hugging the curb, so he misses the speed bump. I've done that. Yeah, he did that. We got a roundabout coming up, though. Yeah, we a little too fast, a little high side. So if you guys don't know what we're talking about there, hugging the curb. So there's a speed bump right there. It doesn't go all the way to the curb because it has to drain water. I do that sometimes. I just don't want to go over speed bumps sometimes. But I'm not going 110 kilometers an hour more than recommended for that speed bump. So good job navigating himself into an escape. So he missed that speed bump right there. But we're not prepped. We're not prepped for this. So we're going to lose traction. We're going to start doing a low side. Gains traction, flips you over. And there's the wrist injuries, the finger injuries. If we hit face first, there's the facial injuries, left shoulder injuries. And now we start having back problems. Probably broken collarbone, all those other things.
Yeah, I'm all good.
All good. There we go, 45, going through here, going all over the place, utilizing all the lanes. So we're going to turn left, we're going to low side it. We got gear though, at least, so pretty good. Don't be swinging that bike around. Don't be doing that. Just go ahead nice and easy, nice and easy. The reason why you're having to swing the bike around like this is because you're going too fast. So slow it down, nice and easy. You're not going to have these crazy movements that are going to cause you to lose traction. So black car behind me is getting impatient and moves to the right lane. Open lane pattern, right? So move to the right lane because they didn't want to be stuck behind you and that truck. So moved over. Not a big deal. Okay, you saw it.
Is this guy going so slow?
He's going to do the same thing to you right here. He doesn't want to be behind that. He's going to switch over. Oh, no, never mind. The truck's not paying attention. What the heck is that? Truck wasn't paying attention. All right, here we go. Now we're on a scooter.
This rider didn't notice.
Are you gonna
the
split that?
road, which completely
Yeah,
takes away his
you're gonna
control of the bike.
Okay, the road is a little bumpy. Put both hands on. There we go. Oh, car right there. Okay, not a big deal. Good. I don't like the spot. I can't see. Oh, what did he hit? Okay, so it's just a little bit of a different elevation. So just like tram tracks or train tracks or any of those things, if you're gonna, tram was typically in line and parallel with you. Train tracks are perpendicular, so you can easily kind of go over them. But here, make that quick adjustment. Like just quickly adjust over it. Don't like ride, there you go. Don't like ride onto it and then it drops off. Yeah, poor positioning. Because you can't see past the vehicle. So position yourself off the sides. Bitter dolce. Here we go. Okay. Open lane pattern. Didn't want to be stuck behind that lane, so switched over. So good job being staggered, understanding intersections. The merge area is an area for you to possibly get sideswiped. Okay. Oh, geez. Lost traction. Lost traction on gravel. It happens, but it looks like... Oh, it looks like gravel. Or it looks like pavement, but it's not. It's gravel. These bikes are kind of designed for that. He's got a Tiger. He's got protection on his bike, right? No.
Lucky it's on video. If you're
No
lucky, it's
protection on the
video.
bike. Yeah, hopefully, I mean, the hard cases will help. That's how you pick it up, lift it up that way. All right, so, wheelie time. Dump the bike up and over. Lots of different bruises all over the body. His girlfriend's going to be wondering if he got into a fight. All right, here we go. Oh, big side of the bus. Find the escape. Oh, jeez. Good job escaping. You could slow it down, but he found the escape. Ah, don't do that.
What are you doing, man?
He didn't see you. You're driving too fast, man.
Don't blame.
Once again, nobody's taking accountability. Let's see if he was going fast, though. So 60 kilometers an hour, that's about 30, right? I was like, cut it in half. Neighborhood, that's about right. He just did. He didn't see you. So real quick on this quick little, maybe the sun was in his eyes? I don't know. Maybe you didn't see him because he wasn't looking for a motorcyclist. Not because he was going fast.
Fast, man.
Don't blame it on
No,
me.
I wasn't.
You can't wait a minute and wait for me to come
I
past.
didn't see you. I didn't see you. You're driving too fast.
It's not me.
I didn't see you. End of story. That's it.
I've got the mirror cut. I've got the footage.
We don't have to go through all this
Dude, I
though.
believe you.
Hey, it looks like they made up. Okay. Got his number. Take him on a date later. Here we go.
Fortunately,
Sharp left, sharp right, turn coming up.
minor injuries. This is another clip that indicates how important the right gear is.
Okay. Oh, somebody must have crashed. You can talk on your cardos, but you can also do that. Somebody crashed in the turn, going too fast in the corner. How are we going to rescue this person? Let's figure it out. Okay, where's the person? Don't worry too much about that. Where's the person? Oh, they're over there on the ground. So check for any external bleeding so you can stop that. Immediately call 911. We're all pretty safe on the side of the road. So the only thing that you really have to focus on is the patient. Don't worry too much about the bike. Leave the bike. I want to do an assessment on the person. Don't worry about the bike. People go to what they know what to do. And we're all riders, so we know the bike. If you don't know how to take care of somebody medically, then you're not going to help out with that. Why is the back end smashed? Maybe that person got hit or it was a wheelie. I don't know. That's weird. I don't usually see that kind of damage to a bike on a corner crash. Okay, so conscious, good.
If you're good to go, I'd recommend not to ride that ambulance. That shit's expensive.
It's like $1,500.
So you in America, you have the right to refusal, so you can choose not to go. You just have to sign a piece of paper, have somebody do private vehicle, take you to the hospital or something. But just be aware that you need to be monitored for a little bit at least, like the rest of the day, because you could have some kind of internal bleeding either in your brain or in your organs. Hopefully it'll clot up in your organs and then kind of just reabsorb. But if you have it in your brain, you're kind of screwed. So it's up to you to take that risk.
Minimum. That's like 10 grand.
Yeah, just give me a second.
Yeah, take it like I said. Adrenaline's kicking in, just relax.
What hurts?
Yeah, it's gonna hurt.
Hands.
This hurts. Okay, how about your feet? Can you move your feet? Yeah, he's good. As long as you move around.
We're doing a wheelie. Somebody crashed it. Bike's gonna flip. That's probably copyrighted music. Let's go and do that. No, I want to see what happened again. So doing a wheelie. A sun flare just happened. The sun went supernova. Ooh, this might be a thumbnail. Oh, geez. All right, here we go. Side of the vehicle. Did a nice little U-turn. Please stay in that lane. We slowed it down. Did a great job using the horn because we never get to use it. And now I just okay, moving on. Here you go. Going 62. We slowed down the speed or the video. We went a little wide. And there's a cliff. Good job slowing it down to 25 and navigating that. Because that would have sucked. So close call, learn from it. How do we learn from it? Slow it down before corners. Wear full gear just in case you go flying. On a track, you can practice your high-speed maneuvers. In a parking lot, you can practice your slow-speed maneuvers with the book. So a little low side with that guy. Side of the vehicle, intersection, orange stage, watching out for things. Slow it down. You saw him coming out. Just slow it down. No reason to get pissed. You saw it. You anticipated. Up to. That's the name. Going a little fast. Maybe sped up the footage because you can see how everything else is moving fast. Okay. Here we go. Lane filtering. Moving. Oh, geez. Good job with the progressive braking. A little bit of a. That was the brake pads on the rotor. Wet paint. Uh-oh. Oh, a little pucker moment there. Careful accelerating hard on wet paint. It's probably just water on the paint. I was watching the guy behind me because he was too close. Okay, pay attention up front. Got very lucky. See, once again, that position off to the side, if he didn't position off the side, his front tire would have hit that bumper. Lucky. Stalled it out. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. What's going on with this person? My mistake. Lots of mistakes, buddy. Position, relax. Don't need to go super fast. More carb problems. Okay. Carb. Practice your slow speed turns. That was a slow speed turn. Go to a parking lot, practice smart rider drills. $10 for the digital one. That was an open lane pattern. They didn't want to be stuck behind them. They moved over, handled it, roll up throttle, apply the brakes, get yourself out of there. Okay, somebody new, finally. All right, here we go. Intersection. Here we go. What's going to happen? Somebody's cutting over. Not a big deal. We didn't get hit.
Come on, you stupid.
Who here is going on a ride immediately after the end of the stream? Thank you, ZTKRC. I forgot I got the Ultimate Warrior here. Thank you for the 20. Okay, so we have an Are we going to do a U-turn right here? Why are we stopping right here? Oh, we're watching. That guy's not on a lawnmower. So we're going to pause everything. We're going to help this guy get out of rough terrain.
Hey, you need some help? Sir. Sir.
Yeah, he's stuck.
Sir.
Yeah, go ahead and just like push him back on the pavement. I wonder.
You need some help?
Yeah, he needs some help. Yeah. Good for you, dude. Love to see this. Love to see that.
Good.
Awesome.
Thanks for watching.
Hey, we're riding 2 wheels. He's riding 4. We're going to help each other out. But with that said, go ahead and go to the store, grab yourself a donut, hit that like button, 30% off everything in the store. Links in description, automatically applied at checkout. Practice your skills to not do what's happening here, other than helping somebody out. With that said, hope you guys ride safe, be safe, and I'll see you on the next live stream.